Tell time!
For today's show and tell, I want to talk about something in my kitchen. You know, I recently painted it yellow, and I love it. But this is the paint I want to show you and talk about today. It's called chalkboard paint, and all you do is paint it on something, and it turns it into a chalkboard. So what I did was paint a door in my kitchen, and then my girlfriend drew a beautiful picture, and I want to show you what she drew. Ta-da! It's a gaucho. What's a gaucho? It's an Argentinian cowboy, and my girlfriend's from Argentina. Didn't she do a great job? And that's all chalk. Unbelievable. I wish I had that talent. Well, I hope you like it. I wanted to share with you. Can't wait to see what you guys share.
Math time.
Good morning, agents. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, and you better, is to search high and low in your home for shapes. Here are some examples.
This is a bowl. It's also a circle. This is a cutting board. It's also a rectangle. This is a mirror. It's also a circle. Here are some Band-Aids. They're also a rectangle. This is a record. It's square. Inside is a circle. This is the bottom of a stepladder. It's also a triangle. Doggy dishes. Circles inside of a rectangle, inside of a square.
Good luck on your mission, agents. We're all counting on you.
The Secretary will disavow any knowledge of your actions. This tape will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Science!
This experiment is called walking water. This is a good example of how the roots of a plant move water up into the plant. And today we're going to use paper towels, 3 glasses, 2 of them filled with water up near the top, and some food coloring. Here's what you do. Take 3 glasses, put them close together. 2 of them have water. 1 is empty. We're going to take some food coloring and put it in 1. What color am I using? Ooh, look at that fall. Mix it up. Blue. Looking good. Next, we'll take some of this yellow, which actually looks orange. We'll put that in here. 1, 2, 3. Let's make it extra yellow. Let's see how that looks. Put that blue off. Oh yeah, it's a nice golden yellow. Can you see that? Let me do one more. Looks like apple juice. Okay, here we go. Stir that up. Now, our glasses are both ready. I'll put the food coloring away. Here's what you need. As I said, 2 pieces of paper towel. And actually what it is 1 paper towel torn in half. Or, parents, if you have the half sheets, use that. Here's what we do. You're going to take one end, put it in, put this other end in this glass. Okay? Notice, we go half, right? And then again. So we're folding it into quarters, or fourths. There you go. I did a better job on this one than the other one. Okay? So we put one, let it sink into the water, and the other one is sitting in the empty glass. Now, through capillary action, we're going to see what happens to the water. You might have to leave this overnight at least, and probably, maybe even 2 days would be best. And you're going to love what you see. I guarantee it. So, share your photos. Can't wait to see. Have fun.
Hey, boys and girls. I hope you're exercising because I'm watching you. Today I'm gonna send you 2 videos. One is called La Bamba and another one is a 5 or 7 minute workout. Please make sure you stay in shape during this time that you're in your house, doing schoolwork, doing Mr. Quinn's work, doing Miss Cruz's work. I miss you so much. I hope you're also staying safe, okay? Make sure you keep your mask on at all times. See you next week.
That wraps it up, boys and girls. I hope you liked all the videos. Here's one last little clip I have for you. Check out this excavator I saw. Working. Look at that. Looks like it's filling in a hole. Isn't that cool? I thought you'd like to see it. Anyway, happy Friday to you and your family. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Stay safe and stay healthy and stay happy.